Let us learn the 11th question. In a town of 8,000 people, 1,300 are over 50 years and 3,000 are females. It is known that 30% of females are over 50 years. That means in this 3,000, 30% also more than 50. Okay. What is the probability that a chosen individual from the town is either a female or over 50 years? Okay. So, total number of people in the town is given. It is 8,000. That is n of s is equal to 8,000. Then we can choose an event of over 50 years. That is 1,300. Then we can choose another event. It is then females. That is 3,000. Okay. So, if you are considering over 50 years as event A and females as event B, here they given 30,000 females are over 50 years. So we can write this 30% are this more than 50 but they are female. Okay, so A intersection B. Understood? More than 50 but they are female. Here they did not mention about the males. Anyway, this 30% people are in the female list and over 50 also. So that is A intersection B. Are you clear? Then we can find out what is the probability that a chosen individual from the town is either female or 50 years. R, it is given R. So we can understand female is B, B set, and over 50 years is A set, B union A. Okay, B union A is same as A union B. So we can apply the addition theorem. Are you clear? So we can start the solution now. Given total number of people equal to 8,000, that is n of s is equal to 8,000. Okay, next we can choose, let A be an event of choosing over 50 years. Therefore, n of A is equal to 1,300. Let B be an event of choosing females. That is, n of B is equal to, not that is, therefore n of B is equal to 3,000. Okay. Also given 30% of females are over 50 years. Therefore, n of A intersection B. Okay, this A intersection B females and over 50 years. Okay, 30%. It is 30% of 3,000. 30 by 100 into 3,000. So we can cancel the zeros from denominator and numerator. So 30 into 30, it is 900. Okay, so n of A intersection B is equal to 900 we get. Now we need to find out, probability of either a female or over 50 years. It is equal to P of A union B. Okay. We know the formula, addition theorem. Since we got n of A intersection B, we can use addition theorem. Okay, the sets are not exclusive. P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Either a female it is B set, over 50 years it is A set. Okay, don't think of it is given change the order. A union B is same as B union A. Otherwise over 50 years are a female. That's no problem. Now we can write the addition theorem. Right, addition theorem. We have addition theorem. P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. What is P of A? It is N of A divided by N of S plus P of B is N of B divided by N of S minus N of A intersection B divided by N of S. Okay, anyway N of S is common. Now N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Okay, now what is N of A value? N of A is 1300, N of B is 3000 minus N of A intersection B is 900. Is it? 1300 plus 3000, yeah, okay. Divided by N of S is 8000. So we can add the value. 1300 plus 3000 is 4300 minus 900, it is 3400. Sorry, this is 1300 plus 3000 is 4300 minus 900, it is 3400 divided by 8000. First you can cancel the zeros, then you reduce using the 2 table. So this is the lowest form, it is 17 by 40. Okay, that is the answer. We can write probability of either a female or over 50 years is 17 by 40. Okay, are you clear?